5 major ways and effective ways to improve your English. Friends, stay attentive, please. So, first step is to practice regularly with native speakers. Friends, if you engage in conversations with native English speakers, whether online or in person, this helps you learn natural expressions, improve pronunciation, and build confidence. Okay, so friends, the second step is practice speaking. Why? Practice speaking is very much necessary because speaking helps reinforce vocabulary and improve pronunciation and fluency. How you can practice speaking, friends? Engage in conversations with native speakers or language partners, join English speaking clubs, or use language exchange apps. Okay, friends? Next step is, next step is to expand vocabulary. So why expanding vocabulary is necessary? You know, a rich vocabulary allows you to express yourselves more clearly and precisely. How can you expand your vocabulary, friends? Friends, first learn new words daily. Use flashcards and make it a habit to incorporate new words into writing and speaking. This will help you expand your vocabulary, friends. Next step is to listen actively. Listening actively is necessary because listening improves comprehension and familiarizes you with different accents and speech patterns. How you can listen actively? Listen to podcasts, watch English movies or TV shows, and pay attention to how words are pronounced and used in context. Number 5, immerse yourselves in English media. Watch movies, TV shows, and listen to podcasts or music in English. Reading books, articles, and news in English can also enhance your vocabulary and understanding of different contexts. So friends, if you regularly try to maintain these steps, I think you'll normally be able to improve your English. So for this step, thank you. Stay connected. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel to your friends. Thank you.